In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Find and Recode feature to correct your mistakes in Xero. This is a powerful tool that can help you easily rectify errors in your accounting records, ensuring your data is always accurate. Let's dive in and walk through each step of the process together. Start off by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to Xero's login page where you'll see the login option prominently displayed. Go ahead and enter your email and password. It's a good idea to have your login credentials handy before you start to save time. Once you've entered your details, click on the login button and you'll be directed to your Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the accounting menu. If you've previously marked Find and Recode as a favorite, you can click on it directly from your favorites section for quicker access. If it's not in your favorites, don't worry. Simply click on Advanced to expand your options and then locate and select Find and Recode from the list. Now that you're in the Find and Recode section, you'll want to click on plus add a condition. This will help you identify the transactions you need to fix. For this demonstration, let's use contact as the condition. Select it and then proceed to type in the contact name you are looking for. Once you've entered the name, hit the search button. This will bring up a list of transactions associated with that contact. Next, choose the specific contact by ticking the checkbox next to their name, then click on Recode. Here you have the flexibility to change the contact name if necessary, but it's not a requirement. The next fields you might need to adjust are the account and the tax rate. These can be selected from respective drop-down menus. It's essential to ensure that the account and tax details are correct to avoid any discrepancies in your financial records. After you've made the necessary adjustments, click on Review. This step gives you a chance to double-check your changes before finalizing them. Once you're satisfied that everything is accurate and reflects the corrections you wanted to make, go ahead and click on Confirm. This last step ensures that your changes are saved and your records are updated. And there you have it, you've successfully used the Find and Recode feature in Xero to correct mistakes in your records. Remember, the Find and Recode tool is an excellent way to maintain the accuracy of your accounting data, and with a little practice it becomes a quick and efficient process. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.